That might need to be tuned.
Wow.
They're hard.
Flying V Gibson.
They're hard to play.
What's this one? The authentic inlays.
Flying Crescent Moon.
Crescent Moon.
Yeah.
I don't know, Cham, if you've ever encountered having this kind of Crescent Moon inlays.
And an Ebony fingerboard.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. It's just hard to play this with the sitting. It's always with the, you know, with the.
Do it that way. That's the only way to do it,
okay.
Really. I don't know how well tuned it's in either, but.
Wow.
Different, eh?
Yeah. It's hard. That's what my friend told me. Oh. Whew.
You can move it over to the neck and see what a difference.